In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products for free using Payhip. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own Payhip store created, your first digital product uploaded with a cover image, and your payment method connected, so your store is ready to sell. So first, what you need to do is go to Payhip. If you haven't already, just go to Google, search for Payhip, and it should be the first one that says, "Create a free website and sell online." Once you're on Payhip, you'll see a place to enter your email address so you can get started. You can create your account for free without using or adding your credit card, which is great if you're just starting and you want to test everything first. Before we sign up, if you want to double-check the pricing, just click on Pricing. Here you'll see they have a free forever plan, and they only take a small transaction fee when someone buys. You can see here it's 5% as the transaction fee. So basically, you can start with zero cost, set up your whole store, upload a product, and Payhip only takes a small cut when you actually make a sale. And quick note before we continue. If you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. This will help us make more such videos. Now go back and click Sign Up for Free. Then go ahead and enter your first and last name, your email address, and then create your free account. Once you've done that, Payhip are then going to create our store. And we need to tell Payhip a little bit about ourselves. So just follow along on screen here. First, it will ask for your store name. You can give your store a general name, or if you have a specific niche, you can niche down. The store name is basically what people will see when they visit your page, so try to keep it simple and clean. For this video, I'm going to call my store Novexa Store. You can call your store whatever you want. So I'll type Novexa Store, and then click Continue. Now on the next step, it will ask what you would like your store username to be. This username becomes part of your store link, so it's best to keep it short and easy to read. I'm going to set my username as Novexa Store. If it's not available, you may have to change it slightly, but if it is available, you can keep it. So we're going to name it Novexa Store, and then click Get Started Selling. And there we go. We are now welcome to Payhip. Now you're going to be on your dashboard. If you scroll down here, there are going to be some things that we need to set up. We need to add our first product, then set up the checkout page and the payment methods, and then we can customize our store design. The nice thing is, Payhip makes it really straightforward because it shows you exactly what to do next. So we're just going to follow the steps in order. So we'll start with adding our first product. Click on Add Your First Product. Now click Add a Product, and you can choose what you want to sell. In this case, we are selling a digital product, but you can also sell courses, memberships, physical products, coaching services, or bundles. For the video, we are going to sell a digital product. Once you click on that, it will take you to this page here where you can upload your digital product and then title it. So here we are on that new page. We can now add our digital product. First, click the button where it says Upload Product File. I'm going to upload my digital product now. Give it a few seconds to upload depending on your file size and internet speed. While that's uploading, we can already fill in the product details. Now we can name the title of our product. For the title, I'm going to name it Self-Care. Now, next is the price. You can change whatever currency you want, and for this video, I'm going to set the price to $20. Now let me show you something important here. If you hover over the question mark icon, you can allow customers to set their own price. So if you type 0+, they'll be able to set their own price. You can also set a minimum price. So if I want the minimum price to be $20, I can type 20+, and then the minimum price will be $20. Customers can choose to pay more if they think it's worth more. This can be a nice option if you want to keep it flexible, but still have a minimum amount you're happy with. Now coming to the next step, we need to add a cover image. This part matters because your cover image is what people see first, so it helps your product look more professional and it makes your store look more trustworthy. So you can upload a product image here, and Payhip recommends this to be 1000 pixels wide. So when you create your cover, just keep that in mind. Now, if you want to create a cover image for free, I recommend you just go to Canva and make a cover there. Now we're going to upload our product image. So click Upload, choose your cover image and upload it. Now that our cover is added, we can add a description if we want to. Even a short description helps the customer understand what the product is and what they're getting. Now below that, you'll see visibility settings. You can make the product visible, invisible, or unlisted. If it's unlisted, you're going to have to give the link to people. So if you're building a normal store and you want anyone to be able to find your product, I recommend you keep it visible so everyone can see it. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Add Product, and it's then going to add that product to your store. Now you'll see an option that says, Show me my product page. Click that. Okay, so here's our product page. It's very simple, but honestly, it already looks very, very good. This is the page your customer will see, and you can see here what the customer will get. Now at this point, the product is created, but we still need to set up our payment methods, whether that be PayPal or Stripe, so we can actually receive money when someone buys. So now let's go back. Now, you should also be able to see the link to your store. Next, go to the top right, click on Account, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, go to Payment Details. Now here, you can connect your PayPal or Stripe account. If you choose PayPal, it's going to ask for your PayPal email. So enter your PayPal email. Once you enter that, all you have to do is confirm your PayPal account. Click the Confirm button, and it's going to open PayPal where you just approve and connect your PayPal account. It is very, very simple. Just go through the steps on screen. Once you've done that, your store will then be live. Now, if you go to Store, you can change your name and also your URL. And if you want to have a look at your store in the future, just go to Products. Here you can see all of your products and you can delete them if you wanted to start over again. If you click View, it will show you your store page. So here it is. This is your page where you can sell your digital products, and that is how you do it. You've now created your Payhip store, uploaded a digital product with a cover image, and connected your payment method so you can start selling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. Now you know how to create your Payhip store, upload a digital product, add a cover image, and connect your payment method so you can start selling. If you found this useful, feel free to check the links in the description. And if you want to support this channel, you can also use our affiliate links there. It really helps us make more step-by-step videos like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.